well, we've got fire.
So I just put up a video yesterday saying that I didn't have time to do stuff, but then I had a setback on my planned journey. So I've got a couple days here, and I got to thinking this Model T engine looks almost perfect to me, anyway. And I'm curious if I can't get it to run with minimal effort. I already know that it turns, and it's been used for farm equipment. The carburetor is a little stuck up. The choke is free. This part is not the throttle. It might just be stuck somewhere along here, but it's open right now. I don't think I'm going to mess with it. The gas tank is even hooked up to it. It's got the buzz coils are all in it. They all look really nice. My guess is going to be if anything stops it from starting, it's going to be the just corroded connection. Got a radiator on it. However, it probably is going to leak on me, but I can still get water into the head anyway, and if it doesn't leak out at the bottom. And we have no fan belt on it, but again, that's inconsequential at this point. I just want to see if I can just throw some gas in it and start her up. Let's get her in the shop and see what we can do. Let's get out of this heat. Okay, I'm gonna go in, I think that's considered number 4 cylinder, farthest to the front. There's the valve, cylinder. Sorry, it's hard to not move it for you guys. That's the top of your cylinder. You got carbonize, your carbon deposits at the top. The walls are getting a little hung up here. There we go. I've turned it over a little bit so you got the oil slicked on the wall right there. So I'd say that one's looking pretty good. I'm not seeing anything in there like a bolt. Somebody trying to ruin things for me. Got your valves. Looks like that valve's got a little bit of few nicks on it or something. Like maybe somebody tried to loosen it by sticking a little chisel down through there and knocking it down. Got some grain or something probably on the top of that piston. Grain or bugs. Looks like dead bugs. Okay, that one's looking okay. Here we go with this one. Top of the piston right there. Oop. There's my... Now that is looking like maybe the seat is damaged on the valve right there. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe it's... no. Might be okay. It looks like the piston's just got carbonation, or the valve has carbonization on the top of it, and it's just somewhat open. But they're both slightly open, so that could be in the middle of a cycle, or maybe it's not seating right. Piston, again, just carbonized. It's looking pretty good. And number 4 or 1, I can't remember. There's your valves. And into your cylinder wall. Just some heavy carbonization. Okay. I'm not seeing anything to be overly concerned about as far as a quick test goes. This one, it's a lot of carbon buildup. All right. Acetone ATF mix in here. I tried to take the lid off, broke the tab, and then I took a pipe wrench to it, and I broke the edges off. So that's old pot metal. Tank looks pretty clean on the inside. It's galvanized, I can see from the light, and so far it's not leaking. I put maybe a quart in there. Well, I've got a leak right here, but I'm not gonna keep messing with it. I'll end up just breaking something. Okay, there was a layer of sludge in there, but I pushed it and it just gushed oil after that. No water. Well, we've got fire on one cylinder at least. My guess would be that number 3 or 2. What do you think? That's number 2. Okay. Let's see if we can get it on any other of them. If not, my guess is going to be that it is a corrosion issue. Boy, that's a workout. I'm gonna try one more thing. It could be a fuel issue. I'm gonna squirt a little starting fluid in there and see what happens. Let's do the oil boxes too while we're at it. Ta-da! I have a whole nother Model T that was sitting in a barn with a good engine in it. And this, I blew in here. Seems like the float's working. Everything seems to be working on this. You know, hard to say until I hook it up, but I'm gonna put this one on it and see if maybe that helps. But in all honesty, I think I'm gonna need a starter for this. I think I need a starter on it. Too hard troubleshooting when you're doing this. The only reason it fired before was because I had acetone in there. I don't think I'm getting fuel into cylinders. That's not enough. I don't know. Maybe if let me put a battery on it. Oh, okay. Well, that answers something. Okay, why isn't it buzzing now? Bad connection, that's what's going on. Okay. Look at that. Okay. Okay. That was because of the probably a fuel issue at this point. Look at that. All right. As expected, but if I can get it into the engine a little bit, that's all I really care about right now. Let it leak out. I know it's in there for now, at least. Leaking down here a little bit too. I was hoping that one wouldn't leak. Well, for now, that's all I want. There we go. All right, we got it, guys. Only took about 3 or 4 hours. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think. Here's some content for you.